Is this what you pictured for your magical Disney World Christmas? Feeling overwhelmed, a little lost, and wondering where to even start? The holidays at Disney are incredible, but let's be real, it can be a lot.
You're trying to figure out which party is actually worth it, how to see everything, and not miss that one must do event everyone's talking about.
But don't worry, we've got you covered.
We're breaking it all down. Every festival, every show, every hidden gem, so you can plan your perfect Disney Christmas without the stress.
From Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party to Epcot's Festival of the Holidays and beyond, your complete 2025 Disney Christmas Guide.
Let's unwrap the magic, park by park.
So, when does Christmas actually start? Officially, the magic runs from November 14th through December 31st, 2025. But let's be honest, decorations start popping up even earlier, and a few linger well into January.
The secret to making it all work, knowing what happens, when, and where. So we're going to plan it just like your trip, park by park, Magic Kingdom first, then Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, and finally Disney Springs and the resorts.
By the end, you'll have a complete stress free plan ready to make this your best Disney holiday trip ever. Let's start where the magic truly shines, Magic Kingdom.
The moment you step onto Main Street, you're surrounded by garlands, wreaths, and snow flurries that make it feel like Christmas every day.
And when the sun goes down, the park transforms. The lights, the music, even the snacks get festive. But there's one holiday party that takes it all to another level.
Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party is pure Disney joy. Exclusive shows, the Once Upon a Christmas Time parade, and the castle lit up like a dream.
But here's a tip, the best views of the parade aren't on Main Street. Try Frontierland. Less crowded, and you'll catch the floats as they come out. They first roll out.
And even if you can't snag a party ticket, don't worry, the park still sparkles with Christmas magic from morning till night.
Next up, Epcot. If Magic Kingdom's all about nostalgia, Epcot is about celebrating how the world does Christmas.
The Festival of the Holidays fills every pavilion with traditions, music, and flavors from around the globe.
Grab a holiday cookie stroll passport and taste your way through the park. It's a fun challenge, and yes, you get a sweet prize at the end.
Don't miss the Candlelight Processional. It's one of the most moving holiday events Disney offers. A live orchestra, full choir, and celebrity narrators retelling the Christmas story.
Here's a pro tip, those shows fill up fast. If you want a great seat without waiting hours, book a candlelight procession dining package.
Epcot during Christmas feels like a world tour wrapped into twinkling lights. It's festive, flavorful, and full of heart.
Now, if you loved Hollywood Christmas vibes, Hollywood Studio is the place to be.
It's like stepping into a 1950s holiday postcard. Palm trees wrapped in lights, classic tunes drifting through the streets, and the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror lighting up with its own holiday projection show.
And this year, Jollywood Nights brings an after hour party that feels straight out of a retro movie premiere. Live jazz, character meet and greets, and treats that look almost too pretty to eat.
But even during the day, the park keeps that holiday sparkle going. You can ride Toy Story Mania, grab a festive latte from Trolley Car Cafe, and then catch for the first time in forever to warm up your heart and your hands.
Hollywood Studios during the holidays is pure nostalgia. Glamour, glitter, and just enough chaos to make it fun.
And then there's Animal Kingdom, a quieter kind of magic.
Here, Christmas blends beautifully with nature. You'll see handcrafted animal lanterns lining Discovery Island and musicians playing festive rhythms from all around the world.
During the day, you might meet the Merry Menagerie, intricate puppets of polar bears and reindeer brought to life by performers. It's peaceful, creative, and unlike anything else in Disney World.
And when night falls, the Tree of Life Awakenings Holiday Edition brings gentle stories to life in its branches. It's subtle, soulful, and the perfect way to end a busy park day.
Animal Kingdom may not have fireworks or big parties, but its charm comes from those quiet, heartfelt details, the kind that linger long after you've left the park.
Now, let's step outside the parks because some of the most magical holiday moments at Disney World don't even require a park ticket.
First up is Disney Springs. It transforms itself into a festive wonderland filled with live music, holiday treats, and shopping that makes it hard to leave empty handed.
The highlight here is the Christmas tree stroll. You'll wander through Disney Springs and find dozens of beautifully decorated trees, each themed to a Disney movie, character, or attraction.
It's relaxing, it's free, and it's the perfect way to spend a cozy evening without the park crowds.
But our favorite part of the holiday season, resort hopping. The decorations across Disney's deluxe resorts are absolutely breathtaking.
The Grand Floridian is the star, with its life size gingerbread house that fills the entire lobby with that incredible smell of warm gingerbread.
Over at the Wilderness Lodge, you'll find the biggest Christmas trees on property, surrounded by rustic garland, flickering fireplaces, and that cozy national park feel.
Each resort tells its own holiday story, from the modern sparkle of the contemporary to the seaside charm of the yacht and beach club.
Honestly, you could spend an entire day just touring the resorts. And if you love Christmas, you should. It's peaceful, it's free, and it's one of Disney's most underrated holiday traditions. And that's your complete holiday tour of Walt Disney World. From the classic magic of Magic Kingdom to the global celebrations of EPCOT, the glamour of Hollywood Studios, the warmth of Animal Kingdom, and the festival sparkle of Disney Springs and the resorts.
The key to a great trip is planning ahead. Pick your must do events early, reserve those party tickets, and fill the rest of your days with the magic that is already included in your park visit.
It's the busiest and most enchanting time of year at Disney World. But with this plan, you'll skip the stress and focus on what really matters, making memories.
Thanks so much for watching. If this guide helped you plan your Disney Christmas getaway, like and subscribe for more Disney trips.
Now, we have to know what's your favorite thing about the holidays at Disney World? Let us know in the comments. And as always,
See
see
you
you real
real
soon.
soon.